try this one. Tandoori Chai. One of a kind. All these earthly pot down there. In the oven, tandoor, and here it is. Tandoori Chai. That's how they're gonna make it. One more is gonna come. Such a way to prepare the chai. I've never seen like something like this before. The ingredients are already there. All they need to do is just to make it hot. And here it is. It's called Tandoori Chai. And there are the glasses specially designed for this kind of drinks. A national beverage. A national beverage in India. So nicely served. Enjoy this Tandoori Chai. And the place where we are right now is called Dalhousie, the hill station. There we are. Let's enjoy the Tandoori Chai. Alrighty.